Hello and welcome to the Tegiwa YouTube channel. I'm Dave and today we're going to be looking at Zestek Racing's brand new SCX steering wheel hub. So here at Tegiwa we are proud European distributors for Zestek Racing and we can't wait to see this product that's inside. It's absolutely jam-packed with new features and it absolutely trumps the old predecessor out of the water, and it's even cheaper than the one before. So we won't waste any time, we're going to jump right in there and unbox it. Firstly, it's in some really nice packaging. Whoever's designed this box has done a really nice job on it. As you can see, it says "Let's Race" at the top, so lift that up, see what's inside. We've got the all-important Zestek sticker sheet, and what's cool straight away is you've got a helmet visor, little sun strip for your helmet, so that's really nice. They look really high quality foil logo, but just in here, how nicely packaged is that? It's in its own protective case, so there's absolutely no worries about the courier damaging it when it arrives to you. Open this side, we've got some nice clips there, so you can lock the case and unclip it and it just unlocks. So inside, here it is, the piece de resistance, the all new SCX steering wheel hub from Zestek Racing. Yeah, let's dive right into the new features that we've got on this hub. First things first, you can see that it's made from a completely different material to its predecessor, almost like a forged carbon, and you can see the pattern change as well as it moves in the light. So this is a hybrid carbon fibre composite, so a forged carbon effect. It's stronger, more durable than the last one, and it's also flame retardant as well, so perfect if you're using it on a race car or on the track. So secondly, it's been redesigned with new buttons, so a completely new button mechanism. There's 2.25 mil of travel in them, so when you press it, it's, yeah, really nice feel and provides really nice feedback as well, because on the last one some of the feedback was that you wasn't sure if they would press the button or not, but this one there's a nice click and you definitely know that you pressed it, especially if you're wearing racing gloves as well, which you might be on track, then you may be unsure if you pressed it, but yeah, definitely not going to have that problem this time around. One of the other features as well, which you can see here, are we've got the shift light. Now, these weren't on the previous model. These were only available on the CAN hub, so you needed a standalone ECU to run that. But now they are on the OEM cars as well. So you can use this as a shift light. We've also got lights here and lights here. These are smart lights, so you can have 4 or 8 stages. For example, you could program this to your oil temperature and have a different light. So it could be red when it's low and then green when it's up to temperature, so you know you can drive it. And that's 8 or 4 stages. You can program that in on the configurator. Just going back to the shift light, you can program this however you want. So you can have it progressive. So as the revs climb up, it can come up this way. You can have them go that way. Or if you want to, you can have them meet in the middle as well. And you can choose whatever colour you want. So you could have all the way from like green, blue, and then red when you hit the red line, pink, yellow, orange, you name it, whatever colour you can think of, you can program every single light to be that colour. What we do have as well, we've done away with the flick switches off the old model, but we retained these 2 scrolling dials on the side. You can control this to brightness, so maybe you want it really bright at night or in the day and you want to dim it off at other times, you can simply just turn that and then all of the buttons dim in brightness. You can also click them as well, which is really nice. So it also comes with a couple of different spaces as well in the pack, and it's also got a different fascia as well depending on what steering wheel that you're going to run on the hub. So all the hardware comes with it. We've got a few Allen keys and we've got long bolts and short bolts, countersunk and flatheads as well, depending on whether it's going to foul the recess when you're installing it. And then the final thing that you'll be doing once it's installed is we've got a load of stickers here that you can put on these buttons and around. So if you're controlling different maps, headlights, indicators, all that kind of thing, there's loads of different ones. In here, they're 3M as well, so pretty much the best quality that you can get. And we've also got a USB to USB-C cable as well. I'll just show you that quickly. This end will plug into your laptop, and this simply slots in to the rear of the hub, and then that enables you to open up the configurator on your laptop, sit there and control all the different options. So moving to the back of the hub, we've got a redesigned quick release, so it works even better than ever. And then we've got redesigned paddles as well, so the paddle system has changed, and there are 15 degrees of adjustability just on the back here, so you can move it further away from you, or you can move those paddles closer as well, depending on your preference. There's a really trick system now called VeloLink. So this talks to an OBD module, which you simply plug into your car, and then it streams all the live data from the car onto the steering wheel. So for example, as we mentioned before, you can have oil temps, water temps, intake air temps, and you can map these into the lights so you can see really easily whether they're getting really hot or cold, that kind of thing. So anything you can imagine that you want to control on the car, you can display it all on the hub. The VeloLink actual OBD plug-in module, that is included with the Zestek SCX hub. So you might be wondering how difficult it is to install, and we've actually installed one on an F87 M2 already, and from start to finish on a guy who's never even touched a BMW before, it took about half an hour, 45 minutes. So that kind of tells you that you can do it yourself if you sat on your driveway. It's not that difficult. And you can go check out that video to get an idea of how to do it. They're all the same. The only thing that's going to change when you're installing it is, depending on your manufacturer, there's going to be different ways to get your steering wheel off, and the controls on the OE wheel of your car is going to change from manufacturer to manufacturer. They're really easy to install, and even if you have to pay a garage, so you're going to take an hour's labour or so with someone that knows what they're doing. So these are available for various different performance vehicles, Toyota, BMW, Volkswagen, all listed at Tegiwa.com. We've got loads available on there, and I guess the best point is it's packed with more features, but it's even cheaper in price. So at the time of filming, these are starting from £999, whereas the older model was priced at £1,249. So you're getting more for your money and a better product. So these are sold with or without the Zestek Racing Boss Kit. We do recommend buying it with the Boss Kit because it simply all works together and it's really easy to install. But thank you for watching. We hope that gives you a bit of an insight into the new SCX product. As I say, all available at Tegiwa.com. Any questions or comments, please do let us know down there. Please like and subscribe, and check out our huge range of car parts at Tegiwa.com, and we'll see you in the next one.